I've been studying Silverados for 15 years, analyzed thousands of trucks, every generation. And there's one generation that never dies. GMT800, 1999 through 2006. These 8 years, indestructible. If you own one, you got it right. Subscribe now. Comment GMT800 with your year. Let's go. 1999. First year of the GMT800. GM invested everything. Brand new platform, zero compromises, zero rush. Your 1999? Pioneer, trailblazer, first of the revolution. While other trucks from that era already died, yours is still running. 25 years later, still strong. You have history. You have where the best began. 2000. GM took feedback from 99, adjusted, improved, refined. Your 2000? Evolution. First improved year, all bugs fixed. Still has the strength of the new platform, but with necessary refinements. Mechanics say 2000 is where GMT800 got serious. You have refinement. You have perfect balance. 2001. Third year of GMT800. GM had mastered production. Quality, high. Consistency, total. Your 2001? Maturity. Production at its peak. Zero line problems. Every part? Tested. Every process? Mastered. Commercial fleets started buying massively this year. Why? Proven reliability. You have confidence. You have what professionals chose. 2002. Last year of the open C-channel frame. Last before the big change. Your 2002? Peak of Phase 1. Everything GM learned in 3 years, applied. Still simple, still straightforward, but absolutely mastered. Many 2002s hit 300,000 miles, no drama, just basic maintenance. You have perfect simplicity. You have the last classic. 2003, revolutionary year. Boxed frame arrives, fully sealed sections, total corrosion protection. Your 2003, game changer. First of the indestructible frame. GM still had unlimited budget, thick steel, over-engineered, zero cost cutting. You caught the revolution, the moment everything changed. Your frame will outlast you, will pass to your grandkids. Perfect. You have innovation. You have the eternal frame. 2004, refined boxed frame. GM took lessons from 2003, improved production. Your 2004, perfection in process. Mature boxed frame, zero issues. Build quality, peak. Consistency, total. Mechanics say 2004 rarely comes back to the shop, and when it does, preventative maintenance, nothing broken. You have reliability. You have what doesn't need repair. 2005, absolute sweet spot of GMT800. All bugs resolved, all improvements applied. Your 2005, engineering peak, best of all 8 years. Perfect boxed frame, mastered production, maximum quality, and still before the 2007 cuts, still with good budget, still without rush. You caught the top, the impossible to beat. You have perfection. You have the best GMT800 year. 2006, last year of GMT800, last before GMT900, end of an era. Your 2006, golden ending, last of the classic, last before the change. GM knew they changed in 2007, so they went all out. 2006, flawless. You have rarity. You have the last of the legendary generation. And while GMT 900 is excellent too, GMT 800 has something special. Simplicity, raw strength, soul. You have the original. You have the real deal. GMT 800, 1999 through 2006. 8 years. 1 generation, 0 bad years. Every year, special. Every year, strong. Every year, indestructible. You didn't buy a truck, you bought legacy. While others die, your GMT800 hits 500,000. Comment GMT800 with your year now. Like, share. Next video, why 2007 through 2010 feel more solid than 2020 plus. You chose legendary generation. See you next time, Silverado family.